Hello and welcome to this demonstration of the AI capabilities of Enterprise Insight. Our AI capabilities are flexible, meaning that you can configure these capabilities to meet your specific use cases. Here today, we're going to use 3 examples to show you how these AI features can help you. Let's start with the business capability model. Here we've seeded that capability model with a single capability, human resources. And we're going to ask the AI assistant to go away and suggest some child capabilities. We simply right-click on Human Resources, and we can see that the child capabilities are automatically populated. We're going to take one of those capabilities, Employee Relations, and we're going to decompose it to a further level. This is something that can be repeated until your capability model is built out as needed. All that remains is for us to go and render this information in a visualization. And so, we can go ahead and click on Human Resources and look at a view of this data. There are many ways to present data within Enterprise Insight. We can use a view with a box and line style, or we could use a nested hierarchical view. Here are just a few examples that we're creating so that you get some idea of what's possible in terms of presenting the data that you've automatically created. Next, let's go and look at the application catalog, which has been seeded with just one application, Workday. You can see the Workday has no description at all. And what we're going to do is populate that description automatically using our AI features. And here, you're going to see that the description has been populated automatically with an accurate description of what the application does. Next, we might want to think about Workday's integrations. We have the ability to right-click on our application and suggest some applications that might integrate with it. Here, we've gone away and submitted that request. And we're going to see a list of candidate applications that might be integrated with our Workday application. We'll then go ahead and render a visualization that presents that data so that we can get a feel for exactly what we've created and view it in any one of a number of different ways. Our next example is going to be the application functions that Workday provides. We're going to figure out what Workday does by creating objects representing application functionality. And so we'll simply right-click and submit that request, and it will return a list of those functions. Here, we can see those application functions have been generated quickly and easily. We'll organize the model so that we get to see things a little bit more easily. It's then entirely up to us what we do with this information. We could build a visualization which focused on just Workday and its relationship to those application functions by simply turning off the flow relationship to see a specific view of just the new information we created. Our final example today is going to focus on standards. Here we see the standards model has been populated with the NIST 800-53 object. Let's use the AI features to generate a list of controls that align with NIST. We can see the list of controls is now available within the repository. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the AI capabilities of Enterprise Insight.